going to be using a scarf today to create a really fluffy, pretty bun in your thin hair. For this style, you're going to need a scarf, get one that matches your outfit, and a hair tie. Now, you don't need a huge scarf. I would say at least one that's about like this size here. It's not huge. You can use bigger. You can try smaller, especially if you don't have a thick hair. You just want to make sure that when you've wrapped it around, you have enough of a tail that you can comfortably tie it. So there isn't really a right size or a wrong size, but if you end up with one too big, you're just going to have a lot of fabric to deal with, so you might not like the way that looks. Or you're gonna, if you have one that's a little too small, then you're gonna have a hard time tying it. But what's too big and too small is really gonna depend on you, your hair length, your hair thickness. So I can't really give you a specific answer. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna fold it in half to make a triangle, and then I'm just gonna kind of twist it just to make like a little sausage. Now I'm gonna pull my hair up into a ponytail. I'm gonna leave some of the hair down at my face, but you don't have to do that. That's totally up to you. All right, so I'm just gonna put my hair in my ponytail. I am doing this today on clean hair, like always. Hair with some dry shampoo, texture powder, anything like that is sometimes a little easier to work with, but it definitely works on clean hair too. All right, so now we are going to take our ponytail, and I like to give my ponytail a little twist because I have layers, and this just helps to keep all the hair together, as opposed to if I just hold it like this, it's harder to keep everything, all the layers are gonna start to fall apart. So I just give it a little twist. It doesn't have to be twisted really tight, just a couple twists, just so that everything kind of stays together. And then I'm gonna take my sausage ribbon and I'm gonna give my hair a wrap around the hair tie. Okay, but I'm gonna do that back here. I'm doing it here to show you. So I just take it just like this and I go over, and I wanna get that tail back down around the other side, so it's all the way around as opposed to just in, and that way it's gonna be easier to roll the two together as opposed to it's just spinning and going nowhere. All right, so I'm gonna do that back here. I'm just gonna wrap the tail end around, and I'm gonna hold it up, and I'm just gonna start to wrap down. Now, while I'm wrapping it down, I am holding on to the hair and the scarf at the same time. I'm not just turning the scarf and hoping the hair comes with me. I'm not just turning the hair. I've got the scarf in my hand. I've got the hair in my fingers. Once I get tight and I can't do it anymore, I'm gonna bring the two tail ends down and tie them. And that's it. Super easy, super pretty. It's a perfect bun for thin hair. It's a super fun way to incorporate a hair accessory. I love it for the summer with a pretty sundress and a scarf that matches. You can do it with all of your hair back as well. You absolutely don't have to leave hair down. You could do it down with a side bang. Really changing up your bangs can really change up the way the style looks. So play around with what works for you and what you enjoy in your hair the best. I hope that helps. I hope this gives you another fun way to put your hair up for the summer, and a way that you can create a decent sized bun in your hair even if you don't have a ton of hair. Thank you so much for watching today. I love having you here. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.